Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to design birthday card in Canva. So guys, if you see, I'm currently on canva.com. Create an account or register using social login like Google. And once you log in, you're going to see this page. Now guys, we need to click on create a design button. Over here, we need to search birthday card. Okay, so enter this text birthday card, and guys, you're going to see the different template types. So I'll select this. Okay, birthday card landscape. Okay, let's select this. Okay, and once I select, a new window will open. So this is the project, and this is the canvas. So white area which you see is the canvas. Okay, then guys, at the left side over here you have the templates. So they have the paid ones which are shown using this pro identification, and you have these free ones also. So let me select this one. Okay, as soon as I select it, then guys, if you see, the template got added inside the white canvas, and now we are having a beautiful looking, basically a birthday card. Now what you guys need to do is that you need to replace the image. Okay, in order to replace the image, upload the image over here and place it over here. So how you do, if you have an image, suppose like I'll do of this cat. Okay, just drag and drop. Okay, let me undo. Okay, then guys, if you see, you can change the text or you can add new text. So to add new text, just go under text and click on add text. Okay, so this is how you add text. In order to change the font details and all, like, you can just select the text and can change the font family. Like, I'll say this. Okay, I can increase the size. Okay, I can drag it and place it wherever I want, and there you go. So let me bring this down little bit and let me increase the size. Okay, so there you go. Similarly, if you don't like this, okay, you can replace this also. Like, let's get rid of this. Okay, and I'll say select this element, I'll say delete. Okay, now I'll click on elements, and over here I'll say birthday confetti. Okay, so there you go. Now we can see birthday confetti over here. So the ones which are having this pro option are the ones which are paid. Okay, let me select one. Okay, which one I'll select? I'll select this one. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so guys, now if you see, the confetti is moving, and once you share it using the mp4 format or gif format, then the person whom you are sending, like on WhatsApp and all, is going to see this moving object also, like confetti is falling, and you can share a beautiful looking birthday card with your friends and family, which is very attractive. Okay, so guys, I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how to create basically birthday card using Canva. That's all in the video. Thank you.